Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to create and manage the employee code series in the system. Let's get started. From the side navigation panel, click on the HR menu in your uKnowva HRMS instance. From the list of submenus, select the Master submenu. Under the Master section, click on the Employee Code Series list submenu. This will open a new page displaying the employee code series in a list format under the following headers: name, action, next val, code series position, and employee code length. To add a new series, click on the plus button located above the list. This will open a pop-up window where you need to enter the required details. Start by entering the name of the series. Then specify the next val, which defines the next number to be generated in the sequence. Next, select the code series position from the available options: prepend, append, or do not add, depending on how you want the series to be applied to the employee code. After that, define the employee code length as per your organizational requirements. Once all the details are entered, click on the Save button to save the new series, or click Cancel to discard the changes. That's it! You now know how to create and manage the employee code series in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.